This toolkit is perfect for the do-it-yourselfer or the experienced technician who needs to terminate an RG6 cable. Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about one of our newest products, the TK-RG64 Coax toolkit. This toolkit is perfect for the do-it-yourselfer or the experienced technician who needs to terminate an RG6 cable. I'm going to take you through the steps on how to do that. So first step is we want to take our Cat 16 cable cutter and cut the end off square. Next, we take the CST-92 jacket removal tool. We then insert the cable. The next step is pretty important, and we make sure we only bring the cable out just to the beginning of this block here. Then we're going to rotate a couple of times forward, a couple of times back, and then pull and remove. The excess scraps will be in the blade. Simply pick them out. Next, use the brush on the tool to brush the braid back. Make sure all the braid is out of the way and no braid is touching the center conductor. Now we're going to install the RG6 fitting onto the cable. You simply align it, insert, and then when you get to the jacket, you have to push and twist back and forth a little bit until the white dielectric material is even with the base of the connector. Next, take the CTF-180M Compression Tool, insert the connector into the tool, push and make sure the tool is holding the cable, and just squeeze the handle all the way down. Remove the cable, you're done. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.